Hello friends, welcome back to my trading channel. If you are a new viewer in my channel, please visit my website nicholasnilo.com. There you can find intraday positional and some other scanners. These scanners and videos definitely helpful for intraday trading. Okay, let's move to today's topic. Today we are going to discuss about Bank Nifty options trading. Some of my subscribers are asking me about to share some strategy about option trading. So recently I got an idea about it. So I just check it. I feel it's good. You also can check this method, and if it's feel good, you can follow it or just leave it. Okay, let's move to the today's topic. First, you need to download the bulk copy of futures and options from NSE website. Then sort it. Select all this one and just filter, and we want only Bank Nifty. So few option index, click it, and symbols only Bank Nifty, and expiry only present. Okay, the next step is, the first step is over. The next step is change in open interest. In this column you can see change in open interest. Just click it, and here you can see largest to small. Just click it. See, the top position is all these options are put only, put options. It's an indication that something happened in the put options. Maybe some people are selling or buying these put options. That's why there is a huge change in open interest. It's just a hint. So what we do is just check that particular day put movement. So this is a 27,900. That is the top one. Just open that chart. 27,900 put option. Okay. Then change it to 1 day. Then only we know about what happened in previous day. So this is the previous day. See, the previous day is red, high selling pressure is on this 27,900 put. That means more people sell these put options. It's under selling pressure. So this is a hint that market is in uptrend. Bank Nifty is uptrend. That's why there is a put options have change in open interest, more change in open interest. And it's when we check the candle also, it show a clear sell side. That means huge down, selling pressure. This is the first hint. So if you are an option seller, you do one thing. This particular 27,900 put, you just mark the main points like previous day, low, close, open. High is too far from here, that's why I'm not marking. These are the main levels. Now change it to time frame to 5 minutes. Okay, this is the opening candle. See, the opening candle itself, it's break the low. Okay, so we can go for sell here and put a stop loss the day high. That means this level. We already know about the market is in sell side, and we are just also we are put the stop loss also, and you just go to sell here, and if it goes up and again it comes down, then it comes down only. See, okay, the whole day it comes down. So if you are this is for option sellers, and if you are an option buyer, the same thing you just apply in call. 27,900 call, just opposite. First mark the main points, change to day. Okay, then mark previous day, high, close. Okay, then change it to 5 minutes. Then wait for the opening candle. See, this is the opening candlesticks. This is the opening candle, and it's break above the high, previous day high. This candle is this opening candle and it's break above the high, so we can take a buy here and put a stop loss below the first candle low. In this side we can place stop loss. This is our stop loss level. Keep that stop loss here and wait it. See, it's try to break the level, but it's reclined back. See, okay, this is the just a simple idea about it. You just try it. If it's working good, you can follow it or leave it. So first one, we just know about changing open interest and check the top 5 positions. If it comes put call, then leave it, marketing sidewise. If it's in more call options or put options, then there is an opportunity like this because something is happening this put or call. That's why the more change in open interest in top section is put. If it's call, then something happening call. Okay. Here the put is comes, that's why I just check with the put. So when I check with the chart, it show that it's in a downtrend, put is downtrend, that means bank nifty is up. So you just follow with the opening 5 minutes candle, how it's the react, how it's move. Then put options opening 5 minutes, just break the law, and we already know that this market is in uptrend, so put will be comes down, that's why we sell. And option sellers, we can sell put option, and option buyers just check the first candle. If it's break the previous day high, you can put a buy, you can buy it and keep the stop loss there. Okay, this is my idea I got recently. Hope you like this trading idea. If you have any doubt, do send a mail to nicholasneeler2017@gmail.com. Also visit my website nicholasneeler.com. Thank you for watching. I will be back with another trading strategy. Till then, have a nice day. Bye bye.